China launches robot cops to normalize humanoids. Let's take a watch about this one. This one is brought to us by NBC News.
Nearly 6 feet tall, the newest police recruit on patrol in the city of Wuhu commands attention, less because of the uniform than the 6 high-definition cameras and advanced sensors under that hat that allow the AI-powered robot called R001 to manage the flow of traffic and people in the streets and around the clock. It looks just like a real person at first sight, says this pedestrian. Real-life Robocops like this have been rolled.
They gave the robot hair. They gave the robot hair. Oh my God. She has. Can I call a female robot a she? Is that okay? Is that allowed? Can I? Looks like a female robot, right? So I'm gonna say she for the robot.
Out in other Chinese cities too, including Chengdu, Hangzhou, and Shanghai. One of the police instructors says the robots work alongside human traffic officers, or they can tap into the traffic lights to work solo. The Robocops aren't designed to be particularly fast or fearsome, but they are a key part of a wider strategy here to show off China's advances in robotics and to make machines more familiar to the humans whose lives they'll soon be transforming.
All right. If you're driving down the street, all right, and the lights are off, like there's no power, and you see a robot, a Robocop, standing at the intersection directing traffic, do you respect it? Do you respect the robot that is directing traffic, or do you do whatever you want? Do you like you ain't got no gun? You ain't got. I mean, they have a badge, but they don't have no gun. You can't stop me. And do you just do whatever you want? You just run. You just go whenever you feel like going, or do you respect the Robocop's authority? All right, that is my question for you. What do you do if you pull up to the intersection and you see a Robocop trying to direct traffic? All right, let's keep watching.
Chinese robots have moved quickly from factory floors to daily life since 2015, when China's government declared robotics an industry to dominate. It has scaled up to produce 595,000 industrial robots and 13.5 million service robots in the first 3 quarters of last year. Morgan Stanley predicts China's robotics market will hit $108 billion by 2028. There are now.
I'm just going to throw this in there, right? With all due respect for all the people who are saying that, oh, it's still not fair because Jordans are being created in sweatshops and the people, they're not getting paid, and it costs like $2 to make a pair of Jordans that cost $100, that cost $250. The other day we looked at the evolution in. I think the first Jordan cost like $50, right? Now China says, okay, cool. You guys said that we were mistreating our citizens. We took them from working in the fields to working in the factories. Are the working conditions the best? No. However, we are supplying the world, who is very, very consumer based. You hate the way that we treat our citizens and employees, but you love what they produce. Make that make sense. Message. But they said, you know what? We're not going to work them anymore. We're just going to replace them with robots to work 24/7, 365. Now, what happens to those citizens that we were up in arms about?
Now more than 150 companies making humanoids.
So how long have you worked here?
We went inside one of the leading firms called Unitreat last year.
Did she just ask the robot how long the robot's been working there? That's hilarious.
And met G1 EDU.
Yeah.
The robotics industry is backed by state funding, a lot of it, as well as venture capital. China's supply chain and talent pool help too.
Describe the pace at which robots and humanoids are evolving here.
Once it will work, it will go very fast. I think the unsolved problem at the moment is really still the brains. You don't want to have a robot that does a job 90% right. You need to have it do it over 99% right.
The robotics craze here is also
That robot got some moves. That robot got some moves.
powered by a state-sponsored public relations machine. Videos across social media show off robots kicking and performing stunts. Last year, Beijing hosted the first ever World Humanoid Robot Games, with robots in all shapes and sizes competing in events ranging from soccer to sorting luggage.
They even taught the robot how to flop like real soccer players flop. My goodness. Did you guys see that flop? Did you see that flop?
The first ever World Humanoid Robot Games, with robots in all shapes and sizes competing in events ranging from soccer to sorting luggage.
That was so realistic because he didn't even get touched and he was flop. They must have studied the soccer players. They must have studied LeBron James on the art of flopping. That was high level grade flopping.
These days, it's about accelerating embodied AI to build robot brains that can both think and interact with humans. With China's aging population and declining birth rate, robots and humanoids will change the future of work and daily life here, leaving the trundling Robocops on duty in Wuhu to be only a preview of what's to come. Janice Mackey-Freyer, NBC News, Beijing.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and
Now, I don't know about you guys, but the tiny kid-size robots, that kind of creeped me out. For some reason, I don't mind the human-size robots, but those tiny little robots, that kind of creeped me out just a little bit. I don't know about you guys, but that made me feel some type of way. Seeing those little kid robots running around, like robot beget robot. That's just weird to me. Anyhow, what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts on these Robocops in China? The flopping, the LeBron. Hold up. I got the name. The LeBrots. LeBron bots, the LeBrots. What are your thoughts about the LeBrots? Because they need that name because that flopping was amazing flop, right? No, maybe okay. But what are your thoughts? Are you going to respect the Robocops? Are you going to attend a robot soccer game and basketball game and track and field? Are you going to buy you a little robot kid as well? Or it could also be a robot dwarf. I don't know. It's either a robot kid or a robot dwarf. I don't know. Either way, I'm going to stay away from the mini robots, the mini humanoids, and I'm going to get me a full size humanoid to take care of things for me. All right. Maybe be my driver. Maybe be my driver. All right. Anyhow.
They think the machine never break. Sometimes the battery hit red. I ain't stopping, I'm just rebooting. Why the bounce back? Go! Eyes heavy like I'm lifting weight with my eyelid. Brain foggy, feeling like I'm stranded on an island. Coffee pot empty and the energy is silent. Fighting with the demons in my head, getting violent. Staring at the screen, but the progress isn't moving. Spinning on the wheels, tell me what am I proving? Body aching, back breaking, losing all the grooving. Every single step feels like I'm just losing. Working 24, but the needle barely nudging. Feel like I'm a hammer, but the wall isn't budging. Burn on creepy, yeah, the shadow is a trudging. Battles on the sideline, yeah, they always judging. Is it worth the stress? Is it worth the hypertension? Did I meant to turn? Did I lose the dimension? Need a little break, need a little intervention. Before I crash out and I lose the retention. When I'm feeling fried, suck it to your sizzling. Vision getting blurry and the rain start drizzling. Muscle feeling heavy, motor vision and fizzling. Waiting for the steak, but I don't hear the sizzling. But I can't quit, now I can't to the flag. Even when I'm dragging and I'm feeling like a rag. Got too many gold packs inside the bag. Gotta wake up and get back on the grind. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Told her high for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. They sitting in the stands with a popcorn ready. Praying at my knees, but hoping I ain't steady. Wanna see the downfall, wanna see it messy. Wanna see me crash like a stolen Chevy. I see the side eyes, hear the whispers in the dark. Waiting for the flame to extinguish the spark. They wanna see the dog loot a bite in the bark. But I'm a gray white swimming like a shark. If I quit now, man, then win the whole game. If I slow down, they gon' tarnish the name. Gotta feed the fire, gotta feed the flame. Satisfaction that they seek is a damn shame. I ain't gon' give it to them, never gon' fold. Story of my failure is a story never told. My desire to win is worth my goal. Bigger than the hate that they tryna hold. So I take a risk, yeah, I hit the pillow hard. Reboot the system, put the ace in front of car. Keep the haters locked out, standing in the yard. While I recharge the battery and lower down the guard. Just for an hour, let the new runs reset. Wake up cleaner than I ever been yet. Ready for the war, ready for the threat. Gonna make them pay every single little debt. They want me to crumble, they want me to crack. But I bounce back like a rubber on the track. Sleep is the weapon, get the mind intact. Then I hit the gas, never looking back. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Close the eyes for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. Okay, I'm up now, white to cross the eye. Looking in the mirror, no more disguise. Demon on my shoulder, yeah, he finally died. Energy is peaking, reaching for the sky. Thought I was dumb and you must be crazy. Thought the burnout meant that I was getting lazy. Vision was blurry, now it ain't hazy. Pushing up Daisy, now I'm pushing Mercedes. Work didn't change, but the mind stay with flip. Got a new Mac and I put in a clip. Haters looking sick, yeah, they starting to trip. Watching me and sin while they sinking in the ship. Progress was slow, now I'm moving like speed. Planting whole forest when I planted the seed. Satisfy the want, satisfy the need. Made the competition turn around and bleed. I do it for the win, I don't do it for the likes. Coming up the mountain while you riding on trikes. Heading for the top, yeah, I'm planting the strikes. Running up the score, yeah, I'm racking up strikes. Drowning the engine, failure's not an option. Turning every obstacle into adoption of a new method. Yeah, I'm swapping and I'm copying. Only thinking these are records that I'm popping. Burnout was a lie, it was just a little test. Put a head down, got a little bit of rest. Now I'm back stronger, pounding on the chest. Put me to the trial and I asked the question. Yeah, I'm wide awake now. You shouldn't have blinked.